Today's lecture is on predicates. So, before starting predicates, we will look at some statements that involves variables. So, the first statement here is x is greater than 3, then x equals to y plus 3, then x plus y equals to z. So here we have one variable, then two, and then three variables. And we know that these are not propositions. So these are not propositions. Now here in this lecture we will learn about how to make this or how to produce propositions from these statements. And now let's start with this the statement x is greater than 3. So we write it in a sentence: x is greater than 3. So here x is our variable, or we call it subject, and is greater than 3. This is our predicate. So we can write this with ex. So this is the statement that x is greater than 3, where x is the variable and this p denotes the predicate. So now, and this p at x, we tell this as p at x, or you can simply say p of x. This is a propositional function, and once we put values in the variable x, the statement p of x becomes a proposition and has a truth value, whereas these statements this x greater than 3, this does not have a truth value, but this propositional function has a truth value once we put a value in the variable. So let's move towards an example. So the first example is the same as that we have learned earlier. So p of x is, we write like this: x is greater than 3. So if we put 4 in the place of x, so p of 4 is greater than 3. So we know that 4 is greater than 3. Then this is a proposition that has a truth value of true or t. So, and if we put 2 in x, then p of 2 is greater than 3, and this is false. So we are asked to write the truth values of p of 4 and p of 2. So the first one is true and the second one is false. So now let q of xy denote the statement x equals to y plus 3. What are the truth values of the propositions q12 and q30? So we will write this. So 1 equals to 2 plus 3, which is false, and q30 3 equals to 0 plus 3, and this is true. Let's move to another example. So the next example is P of x. Let P of x be the statement the word x contains the letter A. What are the truth values of P orange and P lemon? So P of x is the word x contains the letter A. Okay, so if we put orange in the variable x, then we get orange. So the word orange contains the letter A. So as we find that here we get A in orange, so this is true. So now in P of lemon, the word lemon contains the letter A. So we cannot find any A in lemon, so this is false.